I got the ULANZI phone tripod mount. This thing's actually kind of cool. Got a couple of different features on here that I really like. First off, it's got these rubber holders on here for holding your phone in, a little button on the side. You slide it up or down, it actually clamps into place, you can hear it. Or you can hold the button down, slide it however you want to do it. This thing will actually accommodate this big old phone right here with plenty of room to spare, as you can see. And another cool feature about it is it got the cold shoe mounts all over the place. It's got one here, it's got one here, and it's got another like little mount right here for it, and a screw mount underneath of there. One of the things I really like about this, it also has the ability to turn like this while it's in the mount, you know? So totally cool. You can turn this thing however you want to do it. Actually, there is a top and a bottom to this. It's got the screw feature on the bottom, so if you wanted to screw it to a tripod, easy enough to do. It's got this hinge right here, so you can hinge the phone different ways. I think it's pretty nice. Made out of plastic, just make sure you take care of it. Just one of those simple, awesome devices that I'm going to get a lot of use out of. It is the ULANZI phone tripod mount. Pretty awesome.